Hey guys, welcome back. A new stable OTA update is rolling out for Oneplus 6 and 6T users. For Oneplus 6, it's Oxygen OS 9.0.6 and for Oneplus 6T users, it is Oxygen OS 9.0.14. I received this OTA update on my Oneplus 6T using System Updater, but for those who haven't received it yet, I'll provide the complete zip file in the description below. You can download from there and do a local upgrade only if you are running stable version. But if you're running on beta version, then you need to roll back to the stable version, which will wipe your complete data. So make sure to take a backup before doing that. So the update size on Oneplus 6T is 348 MB, which brings improvements to system, Bluetooth, camera and few other bug fixes. So let's download and install this update. Installation process will take around 3 to 4 minutes. Once it's done, you can reboot your device. Device have been successfully updated to the latest Oxygen OS. So let me show you the software information by going to settings, about phone, and here you can see Oxygen OS version is 9.0.14. This is my Oneplus 6T. Under Android version is 9, and now they have also updated the security patch to 1st May 2019. The build date is 28 May. After this update, launcher version remains the same, that is 3.3.4. There are no major changes done, few improvements have been done, and they have also not added Zen mode and screen recording feature, which is already available on beta versions for Oneplus 6 and 6T. So now directly taking a look at the changelogs. So these are the changelogs which are related to system, Bluetooth, camera, and then we have few bug fixes. Talking about the first changelog, which is related to system, which says Android security patch has been updated to May 2019, which I have already shown you. Let me show you once again. Here you can see now security patch has been updated to 1st May 2019. After that, general bug fixes and improvements have been done under system. Moving on to the next one, which is related to Bluetooth, which says ported quick pairing of Bullet Wireless version 2. So I have my Bullet Wireless version 1 over here, and this does not support quick pairing. So let me show you one of the example now. We'll try to pair this device and we'll see whether we get any option of quick pairing or not. So if we select pair new device, and here you can see we don't have any option of quick pairing. You just get the older stuff to pair your Bullet Wireless version 1. So that is only being supported by Bullet Wireless version 2. And later they have done few improvements related to stability and compatibility of Bluetooth. Moving on to the next changelog, which is related to camera, which says optimized photo quality from the front camera. So this is a picture which I have taken before and after update, and the time gap was around 10 minutes. And you can see more natural and sharpness in the picture which I have clicked after update. So yes, there is a noticeable change in the photo quality from front camera. Then we have few bug fixes. First one is fixed issue with ringtone for SMS. So I have never faced any kind of issues with the ringtone of SMS, but if you guys have faced, then do let me know in the comment section below. For me, SMS ringtones were working perfectly in the previous update also, and after this update also I have no issues. After that, they have fixed issue with speed dial getting erased. Yes, this was an issue in the previous update wherein speed dials were automatically erased after some time. But here there are no issues, and now speed dial remains as it is. And the last one is fixed issues loading credentials required Wi-Fi requiring login. So here they have fixed few issues related to credentials loading, which used to require login of Wi-Fi. So guys, these are the changelogs of latest stable Oxygen OS for Oneplus 6 and 6T. We still have few features missing like Zen mode and screen recording feature. Hope they are added in the next build. Now let's take a look at the performance part by checking benchmark results using Geekbench application and Antutu Bench application. With Geekbench application, single core have scored 2399, wherein multi-core have scored 8863. And with Antutu benchmark application, device have scored 2,91,521. So guys, this was all about the latest Oxygen OS for Oneplus 6 and 6T. If you still have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.